Imagine having a personal AI assistant that lives right inside your phone, works around the clock, and even has the ability to upgrade itself over time as it learns new skills. This is exactly what a new open source tool called OpenClaw is designed to do. When it launched earlier this year, it exploded in popularity, gaining over 100,000 stars on GitHub in just 1 week, a level of growth that rarely happens unless the technology itself is genuinely exciting. Unlike traditional AI assistants such as ChatGPT or Claude, which require you to navigate a dedicated app or website, OpenClaw integrates directly into messaging platforms like WhatsApp or Telegram. This allows you to communicate with your assistant as if you were texting a friend, without dashboards, menus, or complicated interfaces. Even more impressively, OpenClaw can write code to expand its own abilities over time, meaning that your assistant has the potential to grow increasingly useful the more you interact with it. At its core, OpenClaw functions as a productivity assistant, helping users manage tasks, check emails, review calendars, and deliver daily summaries. Setting it up is surprisingly simple. With a single terminal command, you can install the system and link it to your preferred messaging app. Once installed, you can instruct your assistant to handle basic routines like sending you a daily to-do list without ever opening multiple apps or navigating complex interfaces. This simplicity is part of what makes OpenClaw appealing. It transforms text messages into a functional task manager, giving users a taste of AI-assisted productivity almost immediately. Beyond basic task management, OpenClaw scales into more advanced automation by connecting to tools like email clients, calendars, and note-taking apps such as Notion. For example, you could receive a morning briefing that summarizes your upcoming meetings, emails that require attention, and even weather updates, all in one notification. By centralizing this information, OpenClaw reduces the friction of switching between apps, allowing users to start their day with a clear overview of priorities. This is where the tool begins to move from a simple assistant to a truly practical productivity companion. The real innovation comes at the advanced level, where OpenClaw can manage ongoing workflows and project coordination. It can monitor your calendar for scheduling conflicts, prioritize urgent emails, and alert you only when something truly requires your attention. In effect, it behaves like a digital chief of staff, continuously managing information in the background and presenting only what is essential. This proactive behavior is what sets OpenClaw apart from reactive AI chatbots, positioning it as a tool that not only responds to queries, but actively helps organize your life. OpenClaw can operate in a variety of environments to suit different needs. You can run it locally on a laptop for quick access, or deploy it on a server through services like Google Cloud or Fly.io to ensure it operates 24/7, even when your personal device is offline. The team at Every is also developing a hosted version to further simplify setup, making it accessible even to those with minimal technical expertise. This flexibility allows OpenClaw to integrate seamlessly into a user's routine, ensuring that the AI is available whenever and wherever it is needed. The broader significance of OpenClaw lies in how it represents a new direction for AI assistants. Instead of existing as a tool you open only when needed, it lives within your everyday communication channels, learning your habits, understanding your priorities, and automating repetitive tasks over time. By doing so, it reduces cognitive load, saves time, and creates a sense of continuity that traditional AI systems cannot match. It offers a glimpse into the future, where AI is not just reactive, but integrated into the fabric of daily life, adapting and evolving alongside its user. While the project is still in its early stages, it highlights what may become the next generation of AI assistants, ones that operate continuously, proactively, and contextually, without requiring consistent input or supervision. The potential impact is considerable, from individual productivity gains to transforming workflows in professional settings. For anyone interested in experimenting with AI in a highly accessible and practical way, OpenClaw provides a clear starting point. Its beginner-friendly guide makes setup straightforward, allowing anyone to turn messaging apps into a hub for intelligent, automated assistants. Ultimately, OpenClaw demonstrates that the future of AI assistants may not be about tools you actively open and navigate, but systems that work quietly and intelligently in the background, enhancing your productivity and managing essential tasks with minimal intervention. If you're curious to explore this technology yourself, the beginner guide linked in the description of this video is an excellent place to start. And if you enjoy staying updated on new AI tools, productivity hacks, and innovations in artificial intelligence, consider liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who is excited about the future of AI. Because the next generation of AI assistants may not only answer questions or perform tasks, they might start running parts of your life seamlessly, learning and evolving with you every step of the way.